Okay, today's first video is on a pothos plant. This one amazed me because I've been years trying to grow leaves a little larger than what they've been. It's just amazing where it's reaching. So I hear voices behind me. But anyway, let's proceed. But anyway, there's the bottom one. And that one has to be at least 2 feet in length and at least 1.5 feet in width. And it's just, the colorations are just amazing. I guess as it matures, it gets really, really crazy. And as you see, as it climbs up, I had a ladder and it was crazy enough to crawl up there and cut off those other ones. But look how high pothos climbs up on this cabbage palm tree. It's amazing. The colors of the leaves, it's amazing. It's for blackbird. We used it, but I cut that little piece off this way you can get to see most of it. But look at the strength of the base root branch, for lack of a proper term. So let me just go a little closer so you can look at what it looks like the whole root system. Once it reaches out, it just takes out. I'm almost tempted sometimes to just take it off completely and just let it grow from scratch again. But when I saw the size of the leaves, I said, let me just show you, this puppy is unbelievable. So this is one of the quick plants. I just want to show you what it looks like, and that's a ficus tree growing in the same area of the cabbage palm tree. Just look at that leaf structure. It's just unbelievable. Well, please like the video. Thank you for stopping by. And see you later. Bye-bye.